Good morning, children. Welcome back to English Literature online class. Now we are going to do lesson 7, that is a poem, Dandelion. This poem has been written by Ruskin Bond, but in the book the name of the poet is not given. Ruskin Bond has written poems on nature and animals. This poem is also written on nature. Children, dandelion is a yellow flower which grows on roadside. You must have seen they are round in shape and they have spikes and their leaves are like this. So it is a wildflower. Now here the poet is asking the flower and the flower is replying to the poet. I am going to read out the poem and you all pay attention and learn the poem as I have read the poem. Now let's read a poem about dandelions. O dandelion, yellow as gold, what do you do all day? I just wait here in the tall green grass till the children come out to play. Now children, the poet is asking the flower, that is dandelion, and the color of the flower is really like gold. It is very deep yellow. That is why the poet is referring it as gold and asking that what do you do all the day? Now the flower says that I just wait here, means I just wait for the children to come out and play, and as I have told you that it is a wildflower, so it grows in tall green grass and you will see a small yellow flower. Second stanza, O dandelion, yellow as gold, what do you do all night? Now the poet is asking that what do you do in the night? The flower says, I wait and wait till the cold dews fall and my hair grows long and white. Now here the flower is saying that in the night I wait, and means it is the time of winter, because in winter time dews drop. So the flower says that I wait the whole night and the cold dews they fall on me, and my hair, means the petals of the flower, they grow long and white, means they dry up in the morning. And what do you do when your hair is white and the children come out to play? They take me up in their dimpled hands and blow my hair away. Now see children, the poet is asking that when your hair is white and the children come out to play, then what do they do? And what do you do? The poet says, ask the flower, and now the flower replies that dimpled hand means this part of the, you can see when you do your hand like this, you have a hollow surface here. So this part of the hand, the children keep the flower here, and when they blow that, their petals they flow in all the direction. So this is the poem about dandelions, in which the poet is talking to the flower and the flower is replying to the poet. So children, learn this poem and try to find out that plant which you will find in your surroundings, and that is a very beautiful flower, but it is a white flower. Thank you.